lupa sa opisina ni former Mayor Tumang.
Opo, dinala ko po sa Morning Sun sa bahay niya, sa office. Kinausap niya po. At nagkasundo po sila na ibenta yung lupa.
So pumayag yung mga magsasaka na ibenta yung kanilang mga lupa sa kay si Mayor Tumang ang bumibili.
Opo.
Okay. Mga ilan po kayang hektarya yung nabili ni Mayor Tumang sa San Lorenzo, Mexico, Pampanga?
Bali, abot po ng 160 hectares. 160 hectares.
160 hectares.
Bali,
Farm-
tatlong.
Puro farmland yun.
Opo.
Farmland. Alam niyo po ba kung sa magkano nabili ni former Mayor Tumang yung 150 hectares?
Bali po,
Ano po yung pagbabayad kung cash o installment?
bali po tig 200 per square meter, 200 pesos. Babawasan pa po ng 5% na komisyon.
Okay. Ngayon, alam niyo rin po ba kung anong nangyari sa mga lupa nung nabili ni former Mayor Tumang?
Nandun lang po, lubog po sa baha yung lupa.
Si Mayor Tumang pa rin ang may-ari.
Opo.
Hindi niya binenta kahit na kanino?
Meron po siyang investors na talong Chinese.
Ano po?
Meron po siyang investors.
Pakipaliwanag nga po kung anong ibig sabihin sa may mga investor po siya na mga Chinese.
Opo, yung Pampanga Heavy, tsaka yung Yatay Industry, tsaka po yung Omni Corporation.
Ang ibig mong sabihin, dito niya binenta yung 150 hectares?
Binenta niya po sa mga Chinese.
Opo, yung binili niya sa mga magsasaka na 150 hectares sa mga korporasyon na mga incheck na ito, niya binenta rin yung lupa na yon?
Opo.
Pwede po bang malaman kung alam po ninyo kung magkano niya ibinenta?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Siya lang po ang kausap niya. Siya lang po nag-uusap.
Ganon. Now, so yung 150 hectares, ikaw lahat ang naghahente nito?
Opo.
Opo.
Opo, Your Honor.
Magkano naman ang kinita mo?
Bali, binigyan po kami ng 1.2 million. Bali, 4 po kami.
4.
Opo.
Sigurado ako kasama si Mr. Roy Gomez dito.
Opo.
Yung katiwala ni former Mayor Tumang sa kanyang opisina.
Opo, si Roy Gomez po ang lahat ng gumagawa ng mga transaksyon sa mga papeles.
Okay. Mr. Chair, may I make a manifestation? Dito po sa mga kasagutan ni former Barangay Captain Kanda sa aking mga katanungan ay nagpapatunay na si former Mayor Tumang ay nagkaroon ng role sa illegal acquisition of land sa Mexico, Pampanga na napunta o nabili sa mga Chinese personnel. At si former Mayor Tumang ay nagbigay ng tulong sa illegal acquisition of land by the corporations whose officers are all Chinese. Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, can we ask resource person, Vice Mayor Hiron, to take a seat? And Vice Mayor Hiron, Mr. Alex Tumang, saka po si Barangay Captain. Is Barangay Captain Bautista present?
Pwede pong umupo po tayo dito. Ito pong mga opisyal na pinatawag ng komite ay opisyal po ito ng Mexico, Pampanga, kung saan ay doon po nakita no itong 560 kilos of shabu in a warehouse owned by a corporation by the name of Empire 999 na napatunayan ng ating komite na ito ay pagmamay-ari ng mga Chinese nationals, hindi po sila mga Pilipino. And that is the reason why we invited the officials nang sa ganun po ay makapagtanong din po tayo. Maybe they can shed some information. So, Congressman Paduano, please proceed.
Thank you, Chairman. Yung PSA ba nandito? PSA
Good afternoon,
Pampanga.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Now, Mr. Chairman, before I ask questions to the mentioned names, no? Sandali po, yung assessors ng office ng Mexico Pampanga, nandito ba? Wala. Yung former vice mayor na lang po. Please take a seat. Thank you. Mr. Chairman, before I proceed, asking questions with the mentioned resource persons, Mr. Chairman, supposedly I have a lot of questions to Mayor Tumang, but unfortunately, masama daw ang pakiramdam niya. But let me state again, Mr. Chairman, that Mayor Tumang was cited in contempt through the motion of this representation because I do believe that he is lying, and it was proven just few hours ago when Rep. Luestro asked him about if he has personal relation with Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Now, Mr. Chairman, just to, anyway, wala siya dito, but pwede na itong ma-confirm at masagot siguro ng AMLA. Mr. Chairman, I have initially at least 28 bank transactions in my possession. Now, but of course, may pending case na, no? With regards to the drugs, particularly yung Willie Ong. Now, to the AMLA, you can answer without, I would just like to confirm to you. I have with me a bank transaction from Willie Ong. You can mention the amount or not, okay lang. And from Willie Ong and Michelle Santosi to the company in the name of Morning Sun Industry, and the address of Morning Sun is at San Antonio, Mexico, Pampanga. Do you confirm that there is such transaction?
Mr. Chair, without necessarily providing the details, we can at least confirm that the entities and personalities you've mentioned have transactions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Now, Mr. Chairman, so AMLA confirmed. Now, without stating the detailed transaction, particularly the amount. Now, since wala dito yung sa assessors, mat-check ko lang po, Vice Mayor, former Vice Mayor, now SP Secretary ata. Sir, do you confirm, and sa kay Barangay Captain Kanda, do you confirm, former Vice, do you confirm that the Morning Sun Industry is situated or the address is San Antonio, Mexico, Pampanga?
Tama po.
Okay, and that address in San Antonio, Pampanga, in which Morning Sun is located, is the residence of Mayor Tumang?
Besides the residence of the
Besides
Mayor.
the residence. But do you confirm na yung Morning Sun Industry is owned by former Mayor Tumang?
Opo.
Vice, no. Barangay Captain Kanda, do you confirm that Morning Sun?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, let me ask the brother, Alex Tumang. Sir, Alex, remember you're under oath. Please, at alam mo na, pinagdaanan na po natin ito, yung mga queries. Tinabi lang to, dahil sabi ko nga, this was forwarded na as part of my resolution was forwarded